pulmonary function. I am able to concentrate fully in my practice because of this program. As my strength is much stronger now, I can repeat this training, doing my practice over and over. I noticed that my record is getting better. Last year, at the Mogul World Cup, I reached second place, which is my personal best. I was able to become out of 6 Japanese female athletes to stand on the podium at the Mogul World Cup.
Since I started the Tabata training, I developed great strength and endurance. During the contests, which would last as long as 30 minutes, I can still observe other opponents while keeping full concentration. I believe there is not a more efficient way of training than the Tabata program, as people can complete the exercise in just 4 minutes. It is a great way for people who just want to exercise or to maintain their stamina.
Try Tabata yourself.
Try Tabata yourself.